The Kind Elephant and the Jungle Friends. In the heart of a vast jungle lived an elephant named Ella. Ella was known far and wide for her kind heart and gentle nature. All the animals loved her because she was always ready to help anyone in need. One day, a fierce tiger entered the jungle and started threatening the smaller animals. The rabbits, monkeys, and birds were scared and didn't know what to do. They gathered and whispered, "How will we protect ourselves from this dangerous enemy?" Ella heard their worries and said, "Don't be afraid. We will stand together and keep our home safe." She gathered all the animals and shared a plan to protect each other. When the tiger came close, Ella used her strength to create a barrier with fallen trees, while the monkeys threw leaves and sticks to distract him. The birds sang loudly to alert everyone if danger came near. The tiger was surprised by the animals' unity and Ella's bravery. Realizing he couldn't win against such kindness and teamwork, he left the jungle forever. From that day on, the animals lived peacefully, knowing that kindness and courage could conquer any challenge. Ella's kindness reminded everyone that looking out for each other makes the jungle and the world a better place. This story highlights kindness, courage, and teamwork, teaching kids how helping others can overcome big challenges. It inspires empathy and community spirit through the elephant's gentle strength. Would you like it adapted for a video, Scar?